Okay guys, you are welcome to KCWEB Tech Center, and today on ethical hacking we shall be looking at intercepting network traffic. Okay, now in a process whereby you want to be the man in the middle of a network, you make sure you intercept the network traffic that is coming between your target and what is displaying on your target will not be reflecting back to your router, to your own system, which you have targeted that particular system. Now on this our safe lab, we shall be using our target machine in here in this place. Now this is our target, this is our Kali, and our Kali machine is already open, and we shall be using our target. We make sure we're making use of our target in this same system. We have our window, okay, we have our window, this is our window 10, and we want to target this window 10. What this intercepting network traffic means that whatsoever that we are browsing in this network, whatsoever we are browsing here in this window settings, it will not be reflecting here in our Kali. Okay, so we'll be diving into this particular aspect of it. First, you make sure you be man in the middle, okay, man of the middle before you intercept. Okay guys, so we get started. Now first and foremost, what you should do is on your window, you run your command cmd, that is the command prompts. Now once you run your command, you want your ARP. Now this is the interface of the system, right? This is the interface. Okay, now you go back to your Kali. Now before you are doing that, make sure you update your system. Okay guys, you update your system, sudo apt updates. Make sure your system is updated. Okay, now we also will run our ARP on our Kali. Make sure you run your ARP on Kali since you have run your ARP on your window, and make sure they are on the same network. Okay, make sure your targets and your Kali is on the same network. Now we are using our Ether. Okay, you can as well use your wireless. You can target any network that is connected to wireless network, okay, using your external adapter. Make sure both of your targets and your Kali, they are connected on that wireless, and you can as well do same as that. Now next thing for us to do is go to our ARP spoof. That's your interface, that's your Ether 0. Okay, remember when you want to do your if config, let me show you here. If config, now this is your Ether 0, which your interface. Okay, your target interface is our Ether, the network, your Ether /t, which your targets, and your targets, this is my targets, this is 10.143.5183, and which will be inputting here 10.143.51.83. then on your Kali gateway. Okay, this is my gateway of my Kali. Okay, this is the gateway of my Kali. We also input it 10.143.51.232. okay, now don't take your enter, open another terminal again. We are open another terminal, and at this time we'll be repeating the same thing, which are your ARP spoof interface Ether 0, your targets. Then you'll not be doing the reverse, which means that this terminal is for your target, while this second terminal is for what your Kali. Okay, use number what 10.143.51.232 and 10.143.51.83. So you can see the reverse. Okay, now since you have done that, the next thing for us to do is to what? Take your enter here, take your enter here. Okay, sorry, something went wrong. Sorry, let's see. Okay, sorry, the mistake which we just made is supposed this is supposed to be 5.1. We are using 5.2. Okay, that's where the error is coming from. We just have to what? Correct that. You have 5.1. Then take your enter. Okay, then both of them are connecting. Then come back to this your what? Come back to this your targets. Okay, let's see, what is this? Come back to this your target, then run the same ARP, yeah. Now you can see that this your Kali here have taken the MAC address of your target. You can see now this is your Kali machine IP gateway. This is the what MAC address. So you can see what this is the IP here. Now you can see the MAC address of your Kali have taken the MAC address of this your target. Okay. Now it means that whatsoever you are doing here, it will reflect in there. Now secondly, we come back to our target, to our Kali. We open that terminal, and now we want to run forwarding. That whatsoever that you'll be browsing on your target machine will be reflecting back to this Kali. And for us to be able to do that, we run our echo 1, /proc/system/net/ip_forward. Okay, now it means that it was successful. See, it have run. Now we come back to our targets. We browse. Now let's say we want to open. Let's open anything here. Let's open any browser. Okay, let's open this. Okay guys, so you can see that these target will be able to browse because have been connected to our Kali, and our Kali have a network based on both of them have been connected to the same network. Let's browse. You can see it's browsing. Now you can see now why this is our router. It will be converted to our router, and you can't see anything here. Now this will take us back to to a point whereby we'll be using our beta cap, and that will be our next lesson which we'll be looking at. Now mind you that anything that's being browsed in our target is going through this network traffic. Okay, this is the ARP, these are the network traffic. Everything is going on here in this network traffic. Now for us to be able to view all these details, we have to run our beta cap, and that will be done on our next video. So anything which will be browsing here will be reflecting here in our Kali mesh, because we have converted it to our router. Whatsoever that is going on here, whatsoever traffic that is going on here will be seen on our Kali. Okay guys, so that is how to run this very network intercepting. Okay, so you'll love it when we'll be doing our next class on the beta cap basic on how to hijack all that is going through on our HTTP and HTTPS. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. And I will hope you enjoy this training on how to intercept network. For you to be able to intercept your network, and make sure that both of your target and your Kali are connected on the same network. Now the next thing is for you to you get the network interface of your target, and you convert it to your Kali machine MAC address. With that, you'll be able to get all these traffic from your target, seeing them live on your Kali machine. So guys, so that is how to intercept network traffic using your Kali machine against your target machine. And this echo enable us to this very echo IP forwarding enable us to get all this information through the process also, whereby we'll be using our beta cap targeting all these HTTP and HTTPS network. Okay, so these bring you able to be man of the middle in a system where you are intercepting network trafficking. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. KCWEB Tech Center will always bring you nothing but the best. Please do not do this to what system you do not own. KCWEB Tech Center is not liable for anything that will be done outside from this. And make sure wherever you want to do this, you are on your safe lab and your system is owned by you. Do not do this to a company website or to a company system or a company Wi-Fi network. Make sure you practice this on your safe lab, and you will be happy that you have done that to yourself. So thank you for staying tuned. Looking forward to bring you the best and the next of our beta cap training using all these intercepting network traffic to intercept traffic from targets, and seeing all the login details, all the browsing details, and you can hook the browser of your target and see all of their details. So guys, we'll come to you next time. Thank you. Please make sure you subscribe and share this video, subscribe to our channel, whereby we'll be bringing you more of our tips to you. Thank you guys.